Hello friends, this is a formal announcement for our next workshop, and this will be an amazing workshop on water. This is the last element which we are going to address. Water itself is an amazing tool, and we as a human are made up of more than 70% of water is inside us. So we are connected to this water through the environment and through the inputs which we take inside. So in this particular workshop, we are going to include all the elements which we have already addressed, from earth to fire to air to akash. Everything which has been handled before is going to include in this workshop. That is why water workshop will be integration. ये एक समावेश वर्कशॉप है. इसमें हम सब तत्वों को एक साथ लेंगे और जो तत्व की वाइब्रेशन है उसको वाटर के साथ कनेक्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि वाटर उसको फ्लो करेगी. तो हर तत्वों को हम ध्यान से समझेंगे वाटर के पर्सपेक्टिव में, क्योंकि वाटर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है जो हर तत्वों का एक मिलाप है. So water has an amazing geometry. Water can be crystallized. Water can hold memories. So we are going to talk about morphogenic fields. We are going to talk about memories in detail here. Because this is geometry, in this workshop we will be talking in detail on sacred geometry. So sacred geometry के साथ किस तरह से वाइब्रेशन कनेक्ट होता है, और वो वाइब्रेशन की जो ऊर्जा है, जो कंपन है, जो पानी में वाइब्रेशन जब क्रिएट होती है तो फिगर्स बनते हैं, पैटर्न बनते हैं. तो हम पैटर्न पे बात करेंगे. पैटर्न की बात करते करते हम आएंगे साउंड वाइब्रेशन के साथ, पानी को कनेक्ट करेंगे और साइमेटिक्स क्रिएट होगा. और जब साइमेटिक्स क्रिएट होगा तो 48 अनंत ऊर्जाओं में भक्तांबर की वाइब्रेशन को, हीलिंग मोडालिटी को कैसे हम लेके आते हैं, उस पर भी हम थोड़ी चर्चा करेंगे. वाटर इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सेक्रेड प्रोसेस in our religious metaphor as well. So why water is considered this? Why water is so important, and how this water can help you rectify homes, how this water can help you detect the defects inside homes and then also inside the human body. So we'll talk about all the energetics of Vastu with respect to water. If you throw a stone in the river or a water body, there are ripples, and these ripples are infinite. Ripples move, and these ripples create a vortex pattern. So we'll talk about vortex during this workshop. Vortex is implosion and explosion. So when we are talking of both centripetal and centrifugal forces, we are talking of implosion and explosion, and that is what is creating vortex. And this is the core metaphysics of our remedies which we use for geobiology. So we will discuss about these remedies. You will get an insight of how things are working inside the earth with movement of water, which is virtual, which is energetic. So this will be an exclusive workshop where I am going to talk about all the elements, including something which is new, something which is extraordinary, which is water. So I invite you for this workshop. If you have missed other workshops, you can still connect with all the elements in this water workshop. So new, old and fresh students are welcome.